Hello class, I hope you all are fine and you have all installed the CXX Droid app or Dev C++ app in your laptop. If you all have done the installation, you are good, you are welcome to this class, and if you haven't installed it now, you can move on to the previous video. I have uploaded it in this channel. You can um, go through it and to download this app first. This app looks like this. You are watching CXX Droid. So this is the input console of CXX Droid app. Let's get familiarized with it. In this class, you are going to write your first C++ program. For this, there are a few things that for any C++ programs you have to write as it is. There are 3 lines that you have to put in all your C++ programs. The first line is hash include. Hash include tells the system, tells this Android app to include. What to include? IO stream. You have to write this IO stream inside these directional operators. IO stream stands for input output stream. This is basically a header file. IO stream is a header file that allows the functionality of our C++ programs. If we do not add this, we cannot function, we cannot run this program. Input and output console only get into its function after we code like this. So this is the first thing that you will see in all your C++ coding. The next thing, that is our second thing that we are that will be using as it is, will be using namespace std. In C++ program, every line will end with this semicolon, except this hash include IO stream. Any line after this will end with this semicolon. Using namespace std. Std is standard library. Std stands for standard. So this library has built-in variables, built-in functions, objects. I know that you are not familiarized with objects, classes, functions, but we will get through it in a few later classes. Using namespace std will now allow us to use the keywords or variables provided in the standard library. What is the standard library? Our app already know what it is. We have to just tell him that we are using this library. The third thing that you will see in all your C++ programs is integer main small bracket, sorry, wherever you see this small bracket, it means it is a function. The small bracket indicate that we are using this function. Integer main is a function that we have to use in all our C++ programs. Why we use this? We use this because only whatever we write inside the integer main will get executed. This curly bracket, this means we are starting to writing inside the main function. So we write cout. Whenever we use cout, this is cout. C means console, out means output. Cout stands for console output. This must be used with left directional operator, so double left directional operator must be added. After that, whatever you want to put, you have to put it inside quotation marks. Like I put hello world. Here the quotation marks ends, and now I will end this line with the semicolon. So this hello world will now get printed on our console output. Okay, to end, whenever we want to end with our programming, we have to tell the console that we have ended by writing this return 0. So this return 0, you will see it on the ending of any C++ program. This tells the program that we have done with whatever we have to code. So now we have to close the curly bracket. You even can type cout just after this curly bracket. I mean, I can also type there cout hello world in a single line, but only to look more readable, we have to put it in the next line. You can skip lines like this because C++ program doesn't read white spaces. So you can add white spaces or delete white spaces, it doesn't make any difference. When we run this program, we have to press this button. So hello world get printed. This is our console output. I hope you understand. So there are the things that I will want to repeat. For example, every line must be ended with semicolon, like here and here. And also the thing like if we don't use, what happens if we don't use this line using namespace std? If we have not told our app that we are using standard library, we must have to type their std standard whenever we use cout. Now whenever, if we haven't told our console that we are using standard library, so now whenever we have to use it, we have to mention std double colon sign and then cout. Only then it will get printed. Okay, and now I would like you people to replace this hello world with anything else, like my name is Fatima Azhar. So it is the output. Even if I want to have different or more than one statements on my output console, I will have to mention this same standard, double colon, then C out, left directional operator, quotation marks. I want you guys, you can also copy paste this code, but I want you guys to type each and everything from by your hand, because this will let you understand and get habitual of these signs like the left directional operator, quotation marks. This will all come to your fingers by practice. How are you? In this way you can try different lines according to your desire to get it printed on the output. You see it, because it doesn't read white spaces, so it has put it on the same line. Fatma Zahar. If you want to add break between the two lines, you can end one line with the. So in order to get printed on audio line, we will put backward slash and before ending our statement. So now how are you will be get printed on audio line. If you get this error, be friendly with this error, because it is saying in the line 6.6 I forget to put semicolon. So these errors should not get bother you. Fatma, how are you? So this is the end of the class now. I hope you understand. If there is any question, you can ask in the comments after the video or in the WhatsApp group. I mean in personal. Okay. Allah Hafiz.